It's a pretty sad day, guys. But it does give me an opportunity to test out a new product. My favorite phone mount works as a charger too. Look at that. The plastic broke here, here, and here. And you could change this to this, so you could go this style, or you can mount this anywhere. The plastic was just too chintzy. To be fair, it got hit a lot of times. It got kicked by kids. So I got me a new one. This one's by SYNCWIRE. Let's go ahead and install it. This seems like a good spot to put it, right about there. That way while I'm driving, I can look at my GPS. I don't really like the idea of it being up here. To install, just use the wet wipe they give you. Clean off the area you want to put it on. Peel off the back. Hold it down for a little bit. The aluminum construction is way nicer. The only thing I don't like is, it's not a charger as well. I've decided to put it in between my two chargers. I got it wiped off with the alcohol wipe. Stick it on. All right, this can slide up and down and lock in, swivel, and this whole head can pivot as well. But I just realized something really cool. The ball that this connects to, spin this off and it comes off, will fit my old Lamicol stuff. Pretty cool. So I can put this back on my dash. I can put my other mount that I threw down there back over there or on my back window like I had it for a while. Nice. All right, now I got to actually read some instructions. Holy smokes, I don't even have to worry about this stuff. The magnetic ring for my old one fits on this one too. See, I just put it on there. That's all the metal on my phone from working in the garage today. It snaps right in. Literally just pops right on and off with a magnet on the back of your phone. So all your iPhone 13 and up have a mag ring built in. I needed this big fat thing for the Lamicol on the back of my phone so it could lock in. This one, I don't need it. It is actually a really strong grip. It's not going to go anywhere. I'm not going to smack it around because it said let it dry for 5 hours before putting weight on it. So I'm not going to smack it around, but just setting it on there, it's got a strong grip. Now I'm going to peel this big fat thing off my phone because I don't need it no more. So if you got a newer phone, you don't even need that adhesive circular thing that makes it stick. Boom, it slides right into place perfectly. But if you do have an older phone or a phone without a mag circle, then that's when you actually would use that circle piece I showed to make it magnetic on your back. But newer phones are already magnetic on that circle. They're good to go.